Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Subhan Mushtaba again with update, but this time a bit different, not crypto. I'm just analyzing gold here. It's 12th of December, 9:20 p.m. in my local area, 2023. So yeah, let's get started. I'm started from monthly time frame, then weekly, daily, and then I will come back to the lower levels. So on monthly time frame, I will ignore this. Let me mark it this week, but in future it didn't react. It breached out, and then so I will remove for now this one. Later on, I will add this shit. So analyzing this PA here, I'm going to analyze this thing here. From first thought, I think like left shoulder, head, again right shoulder, this is neckline. So monthly closing above here, that will send gold more higher. But we are traders, we will see it from technical analysis perspective. This is retail patterns, so it will take time. For now, I will mark these equal highs. These were the equal highs previously on gold at visibility, no, text coordinates, sorry, price label, I need it. These were equal highs, 1, 2, 3 wicks are there at 2075, which recently got out, swept out. So now above liquidity is taken out, which we called as SSL. I think I I am not good in BSL and SSL. Let's assume this is SSL sell side liquidity. Now where is the buy side liquidity? On higher time frame, on higher time frame there is not clear liquidity. Only 1 wick I see here, that is at 1451. If I say gold is going to test this, that will be too much early from now, but I will mark these equal lows here, these 3 equal lows, so they will act for me like buy side liquidity, sell side, buy side. So on monthly time frame I had 2 levels, which is one sell side liquidity already swept. Now on weekly I came here, because if sell side liquidity is swept out, it means we are looking for shorts, not for longs. So at range high, if I consider this is at range high, this is range low, so this is a good deviation here. So let's see how on weekly it will work. Yes, so here is that weekly candle is going on, like look at the closing of that candle here. Buying and then sweep all stops, and someone offloaded their bags here and quickly dumped whole move, get backed. So it is in FEG here, weekly FEG as well. Internal structure shifted here, higher high created, and we have order block here, weekly order block demand, what we call it. So if I see it from this level, lower low, okay, structure shifted here, lower low, lower high, lower lows. So this was a lower high zone here on weekly. This one, this one. So lower high, price came here, reacted, and got it broke out here and created some kind of what we say, a structure shift here on weekly. So we had a beautiful breaker plus order block at same place. This one was our order block. Before breakout we had this candle, and both are in same place. And what a reaction here, look at this reaction. Small wick came into this demand and it went up to take out that sell side liquidity. So structure was again bullish here, again BOS here. So it means that zone is our demand zone, because new high created, higher high, higher low. Again this is higher high, so this was higher low. It should have been respected at any cost here. It has been respected beautifully. Structure shifted here and target matched. Again internally, if I see this structure is shifted here. Okay, structure higher high, candle not closes above this wick, like this candle closed this one above this wick, but here candle is not closed. So I'm a bit thinking about that. We had demands. I will remove this one. This one played out very well. Breaker and demand, target hit. Now structure is shifted here. A small pullback into this breaker again. Reacted, got out of the range high again. Tapped 3 times. Once, two, three. 3 tap structure also here on weekly. So weekly demand is here, and we have a beautiful fair value gap also lying here. Now nothing else, I don't think so. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it means this on weekly. This zone is my danger zone. I will mark this as black. Now we closes here below here on weekly basis. If suppose one in next 2-3 weeks price came back to these levels, like it came like something like this, closes below, fill this gap, that demand tap again here and go back something like this in coming days, that will be whole trading zone for you guys. But that structure shift will mark our top. So if I remove this monthly candle here, if you see these high taken out. Okay, now wait for structure shift, internal structure shift, and that is a proper BOS zone, trend shift zone. That area is your trend shift zone. So if price came here, a bit of reaction and broke down from here this zone, then these equal lows are your target. And maybe in later month, in later quarters, like in April, May, maybe in June, July, you will see gold are coming back to 1450s. But how will operate on Monday here? Monday is not trade day, but we have beautiful structure forming. So why not, if trade is given out? We will see how Monday range forms here, because this weekly demand zone and breaker plus order block reacted, so it might react again here. So it means we are waiting. I will remove this shit, this one also, so chart looks clean. It means we will wait here for reaction for to go long again. So this from 2004 level to 1930s, into 1930s level, we have a big room for shorts, so we will find shorts here. Now going back daily to 4 hour. 4 hour is a good internal liquidity swept. Straight away structure shifted here. Structure shifted here. Beautiful FEG created here. But higher highs were creating here. Look how structure shifted, higher high, higher low, again higher high, small higher low, again higher high, small higher low, again higher high. This was your higher low zone. Structure again shifted here. That is MSB for you. So lower low created. So this one, this whole demand area was your breaker zone. Like the breaker which was acting in those areas for long, this was for your short. Now I will remove this shit again. No, this one. Okay, so that was your bearish breaker here. Let me mark it here, something like this, red. So breaker tapped here, these highs swept, but this is not swept yet. So in forex market, in gold, these highs works like a charm, so you have to keep eye on these highs. So if that high has swept properly, then I could say that it price is going down. But this high, small sweep of this high, I will consider this as swept. But if that would be like, it could have been like above here that week, then that will be a clear. But now, for now, it's in 50-50 zone. Now again, after MSB we have BOS. This is lower low, lower high, again lower low, lower high protected very well. New low created, this one. After MSB we have BOS. It means we are going down. We will continue to go down. Now if on Monday, if I take trade on it, so that was a breaker. This is your another order block here with which I will mark this. This is a whole zone. So if I am taking trade on gold, I will place some bids into this, what we say, mm, this zone, into my golden pocket GB P, sorry, there around 2022. Stops are good here, and I will target at least this low. Yes, at this low. So for Monday, my mindset is clear that price is making lower lows, and I will trade it for shorts, not for longs. So now look for H1. H1 will give me more clarification about price action. So I will mark it clearly up here. Yes. So H1, we had a good shift here in at BOS. We had order blocks above, and if you see that the golden pocket area and FEG both are aligning here, so that zone is a red zone here. Go back above here to continue towards upside, because I will again go to H4. This impulse move didn't tested its golden pocket, but we are watching it at top and marking the top of gold, so that didn't it might not get be filled here. So this is a zone to watch for it for shorts, but for now I will say remove this one. Don't get complicated. First focus on this one. If it reacted here, like how a sensible trader play here, price slowly coming up here, and it reacted some kind of shift here at M15, M5, M3, whatever shift. So take trade based on that shift, stops above these highs, whatever highs created, and you will target this for high RR trade. So for now, after watching this monthly, uh, wick and weekly closing, I think gold is at its top. So I don't know what's the in coming days what we have. We don't know. Who knows? We have another war starts. So if another war came in any of like in part of world, then this motherfucker will go up again because wars are the fuel for the market. Unfortunately, but it is what it is. If war started, something pandemic happened, something like this, so this shit will go up. I don't know. I don't have much eyes on fundamentals, but if fundamentally came something like Palestine-Israel war or maybe China-Tokyo, no, what we called it, that country. So though those two conflict or Ukraine-Russia conflict, if anything new came up in the market, so this will go up. Other than that, if everything goes smoothly, this is for me, this is a top on gold, and we are going towards at least to test these equal lows and this demand to be filled in coming days. So that was a good rally on gold, beautiful rally from this zone to here. So in forex market, 20, 20, 30% is very good amount of money people made. So first red sign will be this one, internal structure shift, and that low, if that low breached out, this demand breached out, so that will confirm your bias that this was a top on gold, and now we are going back to test these levels. So until then, we will trade in between these two levels. Monday is for these two levels, and after Monday we will see how things proceed in the week. So on H1 it is clear, and a clear trade presenting here. This a small order block, it might get some kind of, it is a small undecisive candle here, green candle here. This is undecisive candle, these candles reacts. So if price closing above, you can take a long here, but I think longs are now risky, so better to wait here for this zone to seek some kind of structure shift here, and that is your short. What stop will be here somewhere. First target will be your this one. If new low created something like this, BOS again happened here, so you will again wait for pullback to short. So weight game and a bit of mind game and execution is all here. So that is on gold, higher time frame, lower time frame, and slowly you will come back to these this liquidity levels. Look at this trend line. I don't think so these trend line work out or not on gold, but us ladder up and maybe elevator down, you never know. So yes, be mentally prepared for this shit, and this is how I see it. Now you can mark this red candle here, so you can trade in between. So you have trend line, structure shift, highs taken, again BOS here. You have beautiful liquidity, what we say LP, fib levels matching here with the H1 FEG. So if price came here all the way up, you can short till here, maybe a swing short to those levels. So whatever strategy suits you, it will work on it. Thank you. This is it from the gold. From quickly, if I see Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is working perfectly on scalps. Yeah, I took it two scalps here. So it is nice PA on Bitcoin for now. We have range structure range here, structure shift highs, range high taken out this one. So waiting for this demand to tap, limits are placed to go up towards this daily order block. I will show you this order block, this one, this daily order block. So it might go one more push up here, selling pressure, then same like if like Bitcoin gold did a wick, same I'm expecting a good wick in Bitcoin, a sell off and then structure shift and shorts and shorts and shorts. So it is December. You if you know about taxation and all that shit, it all these all thing combinedly happened in December. So maybe after 15th or after 20 of December, you will see a small correction in every market. So this is from me, and hope you learned something and it is clear for you all, for especially for gold. So operate accordingly on Monday. Don't lose hope. Lose money, no worries, but don't lose hope and keep grinding. You will make it, buddy. Okay, ending stream here. Thank you guys for tuning till the end. Leave a like to a video. Thank you.